Hello. We will continue with a second section of this lesson. Still the importance of pandas in data science. Let's share my screen again. But in the previous section, I show you how to get the list of some winner during the last election in United States by using pandas. You know, for example, here, Nali Eli, Reagan was the Republican Party, get 50.7% of vote and win. In the Nali 84, Reagan from Republican Party got 58.8 and win. In Nali 88, Bush from Republican Party get 53.5 and win. In Nali 92, Clinton from Democratic Party get 43% and win. In Nali 96, Clinton from Democracy get 49.2 and win, but it depends of who I put in my boolean, but it depends. But it depends of who I put here in my boolean. Okay. If I want, I can print the lost. How to do that? Just to come here, to put it here, just to put okay, good. Execute it. Double S. Okay, great. I want to evaluate the candidate who lost from the Nali 18, just to put it here. Execute. Okay, great. From Nali 18 to 1216, from Nali 18 years, Carter to Democratic Party get 41 and lost. In Nali 18, and Nelson for Independence get 6.6 and lost. In Nali 84, Mondale from Democracy got 37.6 and lost. But that's the name of some candidate who lost. Usually, the series is created and used on the same line, but we can use the same line to do all this one. Let's use the same line, but I prefer to do with win, because I like win. just to but I want to write in just in one line. But here I will print the result. I need to print the result. Focus my mind in the result column. Enter result. How to print in result? How to print in result? Just to print the win. I want to print just the win. Amount all the result here. I want to print just all the candidate who win. Then I will go there and win here is the object, string. This result who win. Let's execute it. Okay, great. But you know, instead of to do the same work in many lines, we can do that just with one line like that. But here I print the list of candidates who win since nearly 18. But you can get it here. I can do the same thing with I can also get the list of candidates who lost, just to change and put it lost like that in one line. Okay, here's the list of candidates who lost. We can select multiple criteria by creating multiple Boolean series. Let me show you something. I can write, for example, win 45. It's just a name. Okay, it's just a name. Equal just but here result, but it's a candidate but I want to print the candidate who win. Okay, no, yes, just to go there and put it there. Okay, great. And I will put my condition is all the winner need to have at least 45%. Okay, here's my condition. But I will focus my mind only the percentage. Here, percentage is like a string. Okay, I can focus my mind. The percentage. But okay, I need to print it. Winner election result. Yes, great. Okay, great. You know, I got this boolean. But in Nali Edi false, 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 Nali 2 true, Nali 2 false, 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 false. There are many false. In function of this kind, here's the but I fix inferior to 45. Here is my condition, okay? That's why I get a lot of false like that. If you go back on the list of all the presidential candidates, you can see that if we put the condition like that, we can get a lot of false. But if I change, I put it at for example, if 51, you know, and execute it, you know, the number of false candidates is reduced. Yes. But you can use the symbol of or. You can use the symbol of or for evaluate. For example, the number of candidate of the number of democracy candidate who win. How to do that? Let's go ahead. Election year. If I put just open okay, like that, and okay, and but I can focus my mind on the party, just a party. Party. Yes. Just and but if I want to print the case of except instead of the winner, I will print just the Republican. But I can select to print just the Republican like that. Yes. Okay. Oh, you know, here we can print the Republican Party. My condition is or win simultaneously the Republican Party and Democracy Party. If I do that, also there is not error. Okay, great. You know, I print just the Republican and Democracy Party. But here in the global data, we have a democracy, the independent of the Republican. But here I decide to print just the Republican and Democracy Party. Win and lost simultaneously. You know, here I get the Inali, Eddie, Reagan from Republican, get the 50.7 and win. But here in Carter get from democracy get 41-0 and lost. In 44, Reagan from Republican get 58.8 and win. While Model from Democracy get 37.6 and lost. 4 years after, Bush from Republican get 43.4 and win. While Dunkes from Democracy get 45.6 and lost. Here we are. If we have a multiple condition, we can use the Easton operator to simplify our code. Let's give you some example to how to do that. I suppose we have here a multiple condition. We can use a multiple condition, for example. Let's use, in the case of this example, the multiple condition, you know. But as I have a lot of condition, I will use Zim to simplify my code. Just to do that, but if I want to print, if I select, I focus my mind on the Republican, for example. No, Republican. Sorry. Republican and Democratic. But I need to okay, you know, I have two conditions here. But I need to print just the Republican and Democratic Party, you know. Okay, great, you know. Yes, just the case of Republican and Democracy Party. But we can use query command. You can use a query command, for example, as example. But we can use a query command. We can use a query comments. Yeah, let's show you for facilitate my code. I can select this one. If I want to use a query, I want to know the result. I will focus on the case of winner, but I will put a small condition here. For example, the year fail to I will start to evaluate this year. Not the end of this year. Yes. And yes, and yes, let's go and print. Wow, error. What's the error? Result win render. Yes, I saw. I don't know. Win like that. Normally it should be on wind. So maybe I don't think. Yes, syntax. Yes, I see. Yes. What is the problem again? Invalid syntax. Election year index query. Index when query. Result also is yes, result equal win. And yeah, it normally should be work. I don't know what is the problem here. Yeah. Yes. I'm seeing my error. Let's go there. Okay. We get to election. Okay, great. Here we get it. Nally editing Reagan Republican 57 win. Okay, great. But now at the subsection 3, we can learn how to use lock. Okay. If I write, for example, election when lock, like that. Well, first thing is I can print the 10th first value just to, but 11th first value, like that. Oh, what is a I forget to put this. Okay, just the 11th first value. And if I want to use a lock, just to do that, elections lock. For example, here is the line, the row, first, second, third, fourth, and what I'm gonna put but I can put, for example, I can print the list of candidate, for example. I can also print the Perly. If I want, I can print also the year, you know. Like that. Okay, let's print it. Error again. What is the problem? Let's lock. Yes, just I forget to put it. You need to pay attention. Yes, great. Here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3 column. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we can. Okay. The lock comment will not work with a numerical argument. If where we are use the election, that for example when we use in the election data from, but that was indexed by year. Let's, for example, say show you something. If I go back here, no. If I try to do that, for example, if I put let's test this one if it's working. No, it's not working. Okay, can you focus my mind in the third? Okay, great. You know, if I decide to print this one, no, I will get error. Error. Do you know why I get error? Yes. Do you know why I get error? I get error because you know here, the index is here. The index is here. The index is here. But if you why, for example, here the index is here is the index. It's the number, numerical. It's a good. We can the Python can read this one, but here the index is here. Don't forget, I changed the index somewhere here. Here is the index, but the Python doesn't read. That's why we are getting the error here. It's true. It's normal. It's normal. It's normal. This error is normal. If I print elections, if I decide to print election like that, lock like that, and for example, if I want to use a complicated function, I can, for example, I put 8, for example, no, for example, but 8, why not 8? And candidate, from candidate to here, for example. Right, here is the, it look like complicated, but it's easy to understand. Let's execute it. What is the error? Elections log, election dash log is dash. Okay, let's execute it. What is the error again? Oh, candidate. Yeah, great. Maybe yes, it's a capital letter. The first is capital letter. Yes, I don't use the capital letter here. It was a big issue. That's why I get error. What error again? What error? Let's go. Yes. There is normal. But I was here. This previous error was normal. But here, I think that there was yeah, okay, great. Just to later here, execute. Okay, great. Here we get it. But If I use iLog to analyze, I can use iLog and do the same thing, but I know iLog can exclude some value. You know, for example, if I put it like that, yes, if I use iLog if I use iLog for example, but I can use, for example, for example, right, let us execute it. Okay, you see, just 2 line, 1, 2, 2 line. If I change it, I put, for example, 3, and I execute it, I get it. Okay, great. But I hope so you enjoy, you learn more on this lesson, and we will continue next time. Bye bye.